DJI Mini 4 Pro altitude test. Got that coming up next. Village Owner Reviewer here. Like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is finally here, and it is a joy to fly. It's almost as much fun as the DJI Air 3. Today I went ahead and took it up and did an altitude test. So without any further ado, let's roll that clip in its entirety. Okay, we're going to go ahead and take the DJI Mini 4 Pro up and do an altitude test today. We have 28 satellites. Let's go ahead and start recording here. Okay, recording is started. We're at 4K 30 frames per second. Let's go ahead and get that started as well. Okay, that is underway. Let's go ahead and take off. I'm going to go ahead and adjust the pitch of the gimbal once I get up to altitude here. It's 350, it'll press up at 393, and there we go. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and adjust the pitch of the gimbal here. It's 393 feet. Let's go ahead and take it out. Now it is a little bit windy today, so this is actually a very good test. We're right around 20 miles an hour. It's partly cloudy as well too. That really helps with my vision with the DJI RC2. So actually doing quite well considering it is quite breezy today. We got about 10-15 mile an hour wind today. So let's go ahead and turn it around here. The sun is peeking in and out. It's making appearances and coming back and all that kind of good stuff. So incredible view from 400 feet. Get a wonderful view of our development over there. Each day goes by, more homes are getting done here, and it's really nice. I can hardly wait till that construction's over with. I mean, one of the big things when you're up at altitude like this, you have to know the area that you're flying in, and you have to be very familiar. And I would also highly recommend pitching the gimbal like I do, so you can have a good view of the ground, because that's basically how you're going to navigate. And it is different from up here versus navigating from 125 feet like I normally like to fly here. Okay, we're coming up on the intersection here. Okay, let's go ahead and do a return to home.
Return to home.
Gotta love the advanced return to home. This is absolutely fantastic. Now remember, it's going to be at altitude here, so got a good amount of battery left here. It's like to be like 88%. Right around 18 miles an hour coming back. Everything is looking real good. The signal strength in this is fantastic. OcuSync 4 is fantastic. With the Air 3 and with the Mini 4 Pro, it does a fantastic job. The signal on this is just fantastic. Also, I am sure it helps that they placed antennas in the landing legs on the Mini 4 Pro. So we're coming in here. Take a look at this.
Landing.
Making some adjustments here. Looks like it will hit pad. Okay, that was a successful test of the DJI Mini 4 Pro at altitude, and it handles the wind real well. Like I said, we had about 10-15 mile an hour wind right there, so that was very good. Question of the day: what did you think of the DJI Mini 4 Pro altitude test? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.